What is going on, guys? My name is Amir, and today you might be wondering, why does my hair look so sad? And the reason why is because today I'm bringing you a video to show you what my hair looks like with no hair product in, how thin it is, how there's no volume, and it's not what you see when my hair is all perfectly fine. And today I actually want to show you how I actually go ahead and get massive volume in my thin hair. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the damn video. So before we get started, there are some things that you're gonna need in order to make this happen. As you can see, my hair is just really like thin, and you might even see a little bit of volume on top, like the way it is right now, but that's literally because I just got a haircut. And when you get a haircut and you tell the barber to snip the ends of your hair, it actually gives you a little bit more volume. So that's just like a little pro hack. But either way, there are some things that you're gonna need in order to make this possible. The first thing you need is obviously a blow dryer, but don't worry, we're not gonna be damaging your hair. We're gonna be using it on a cool setting, and we're gonna blow from far away, so it's not actually gonna harm your hair. We're just gonna use the benefit of having air and using that to make our hair more voluminous. Is voluminous a word? Make it more volumized. There we go. Then the second thing you're gonna need is a comb like this. You don't exactly need it, but this really helps when you're blow drying your hair and you're trying to get that nice little texture. So this comb really does come in handy. If you don't have one, you don't exactly need one. You can just use your fingertips, but if you do have one, it's gonna be very helpful. So I'll put a link in the description to all the products like this, and the next thing I'm gonna show you in the description below, so you're able to go ahead and pick it up and, you know, go ahead and make your hair volumized. And then last but certainly not the least is you're gonna need a hair pomade. This right here is the Flux Pomade by Project & Co, which is my own hair product company. This pomade works beautifully with thin hair because you can actually use this as a pre-styler and a post-styler. And the reason why I say it's really good for thin hair is because it's very light, so it's not gonna weigh down your hair. So when you put it in your hair, it's actually gonna go ahead and work with your hair versus against your hair. If you wanna get this, would be perfect to go ahead and get the job done. So now that we have these three things, let's go ahead and get started. First step is to damp your hair down with water. So now that we have a towel, we're just gonna pat it down simply and just dry it down, but not all the way. Just simply, as I said, just damp it down so it's sort of wet, but it's not all the way wet. With the water in your hair, you're gonna be able to freely move your hair in any direction. But we wanna make sure it doesn't get too dry, so before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and sort of move it in the opposite direction in the way that you're gonna style it. So if you're gonna be styling it right, move it towards the left. And if you're gonna be styling your hair normally left, then style it the right way. Once you have your hair pointing this way, you're gonna blow dry it the opposite way instead of the way you're gonna be styling it. So my hair, normally I style it this way to the right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry it to the left to make sure that we have right volume when the heat meets the hair. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Flux Pomade over here into my hair, just a little bit. I'm not gonna get into the roots of it, just a little bit to work it into my hair, so that way it kind of gives it a good direction versus just blowing it in like random spots. So then we're able to go ahead and apply the next step, which is blow drying your hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually not gonna use heat, as we said. It's gonna be on a very low heat setting, and I'm gonna turn it on. Go ahead and start blow drying my hair away to the opposite side as we said. So let's go ahead and get started. Next up, I kind of also like a little pump in my hair, so I want my hair to kind of just stand up and then go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go under my hairline and blow my hair in the upward direction. So now that we see we actually have a good bit of volume on my hair, so what I'm gonna do is flip it over on the other side and then apply the hair product to just finish it off. So now just simply go ahead and move it over to the other side, and then we're gonna finish off the hairstyle with using the Flux Pomade and you know, just finishing off in whatever direction you like it. So I'm gonna take just a tad bit, rub it on my finger, just like that, and then just go ahead and actually work it into my roots this time. So let's go ahead and get there. So I just want to make sure everything's in there, because the deeper it is, the better it will hold. You don't want it to just kind of half-ass it, because if you half-ass it, your hair is going to fall down and your hair is not going to actually stay out throughout the whole day. So our whole goal is to get good hold and good volume. So now, as you can see, without even blow drying it or using this brush, I'm able to achieve such good volume, and I'm able to pretty much achieve my hairstyle. So if I'm on the go, I'm not gonna do this extra step. But if you actually wanna make your hair look like really dope and get the nice texture and get the nice volume, using something like a comb like this and blow drying it the other way can also go a long way, and it can definitely just help boost your hairstyle even more. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the comb, I'm gonna put it in my hair, and I'm gonna twist it. And when I twist it, I'm gonna hold it like this, and then this is gonna create that texture. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it in that direction so it holds that texture that you see right there on the comb. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you guys can see, my hair is actually looking pretty damn jacked. I'm really happy with it. It's really as simple as these few steps over here. One is simply to damp your hair. 2, use a pre-styler. 3, blow dry it. And then finish it off with your favorite hair product. And as I said again, the key to giving yourself a nice volumized look on your hair is to always just blow dry it the opposite way, and also finishing it off with the right product. If you're gonna be using a product that's gonna be really heavy, that's gonna be really like sticky, it's really not gonna work, and your hair is just gonna weigh down like really sad. So you don't wanna do that. You wanna make sure you have an all-day hold, something that's like light, something that's organic, something that's natural. It doesn't have too much like excess crap in there that's gonna weigh down or harm your hair in the long run. That's why I love the Flux pomade. I created it myself, and this product just does the job, and it's actually good for your hair. So it's gonna, over time, when you have this product in your hair, it's not only gonna help style it, but it's also gonna rejuvenate it, aka making it healthier, helping it grow and just nourish itself. It's a great product. Highly recommend you guys check this one out, and I hope you guys are able to go ahead and get the volume that you want in your hair for your desired hairstyle. And I'm really happy with my results, and I want to know what you guys thought about this video. Again, all the stuff that I said, I talked about that you need in this video, I linked it in the description below, so you can just go ahead and just click it, get it if you don't have it already. And if you do have it, you know, it's gonna be 10 times more easier for you to get this job done. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I know there's not a lot of how to style thin hair videos, and it's just something I struggle with a lot in the past, because I wasn't able to find that video, so I had to kind of just come up with something on my own that helped me create a system that's gonna help us guys with thin hair style our hair in a better way. So this is the perfect combination. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please make sure to go ahead and let me know in the comment section below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos here on Project Alpha. Other than that, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.